Another Apollo. They always think the sun revolves around them. Next. Ah, yes. A Leo rising with an Ankh tattoo and a record of ghosting since Babylon.
This one says he's into inner work, but his mirror has more selfies than self-reflection.
He says he's clairvoyant, but couldn't predict that sending that opener would end badly.
Oh, look, a Minotaur with a podcast. I knew this maze looked familiar.
You want a better match? Start with yourself, babe. Join the Eveolution. We swipe up, K, into freedom. Emotionally fluid isn't the same as emotionally available, Poseidon. Stop surfing women's feelings like tsunamis. Stoicism doesn't mean ghosting and gaslighting, Kevin. Put the Play-Doh down and call your mother. He slid into my DMs with, "Wanna co-create abundance?" Sir, you're just crowdfunding your ego.
Major baby Hades energy. Still lives in the underworld, also known as his mom's basement.
Sun god, yes. But I see more contour than character. Tone down the light and try therapy. His only love language is whiskey, and he thinks shadow work means dancing shirtless under the full moon. Next. You did 3 mushrooms in Tulum and now you're a medicine man? Babe, sit down. The plant asked for a refund. Ethically non-monogamous doesn't mean emotionally illiterate, Captain Red Flag. You're just poly-confused. He said he's done his shadow work. I say his shadow filed a restraining order. If you're tired of dating archetypes and dodging emotionally stunted centaurs, it's time to stop scrolling and start building your coaching empire. Join the Eveolution.